Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of What's the Deal with the Law Students. Today's episode is CLAT. What? CLAT. So I have my good friend Tushar with me here today, and basically we're going to talk about how did we even decided to take up the coaching and how it was and what did we do. So Tushar, tell me, why did you even thought of taking this coaching?
Hi guys. So first of all, I wasn't interested in law initially, but like my plans were something else. Like I was interested in hotel management or any other stuff, but my parents suggested that I should have a plan B, and then they asked me to join a CLAT coaching, which is of course like all
Mm-hmm.
of us. So I went
Yeah.
and I grew interest in law basically. So tell us how you got into law, Vidisha.
Damn. So my senior who was interested in law, she was going to this coaching, I mean the CLAT thing, and my father and I wasn't a good student in science. Yeah, I accept that. I was not that intelligent with maths and the physics or whatever it is, and I was like, okay, I can do humanities thing, I can do law, and finally I was like, I'll do law. Let's do law. There is money, there is respect, and yeah, I think I can do it.
Money is the main thing.
I know, right? Oh my god.
Yep.
So I was like, fine, let's go with it. And then I joined CLAT, and they were all so good at first. They were like, you can do it, never mind. They influenced, I don't know, should I just say manipulated? Yeah,
Yeah, they
I
are very
just,
manipulative.
yeah. Oh my god, they were. They're like, itna karoge to ho jayega, do this, it's fine. I'm like, I was just looking at my parents getting manipulated, and I was like, shit, man. But it's fine.
हो गया.
Let's go. I know. And then I had to just get admitted there, and then I went into this coaching thing. I was already interested in law, so I thought, why not? Yeah, that's how it
Oh, at
was.
least you were interested.
I know. I was interested, but there I lost my interest. Like literally, they were burdening us with so many things. I was like, thank you. I think
Oh,
I should
so it's
just.
opposite for us.
I know. It is opposite for us. And there I got. I was introduced to so many friends, and they were so cool. I was like,
Yeah. So
okay.
I have an
There goes
interesting
the
question for
gang.
you.
Oh, what,
Yeah.
what?
Yeah, so we all went bunking and all. We all did
I
that.
know.
So where was
Oh
your
my god.
place?
My place was like we had this two-storied building for us for the CLAT whole CLAT students, and there were different batches. So we all used to come, and then there was the different stalls, chow mein, momos, and the pani puri thing, and there was
Yeah.
McDonald's. Right, you will go. 5 minutes walk and there was McDonald's. So who's gonna miss that? I mean, yeah, we did not have that much money. We were kind of, parents did
Yeah.
not.
मैं
Parents
गरीब
thought
हूँ
we
उस
were
टाइम
we
पे.
were studying. Parents did think we were studying, by the way. But while the break was there, so I and my friend used to go and sit, and we one day actually forgot that we had class. We were just having chicken, and we were like, yeah, what about life? We are chilling, never mind. And suddenly we were like, shit. Oh, we have the class, we need to study. And yeah, then we were thrown out of the class. Yeah.
Wow, that happened with me quite a lot. And that's why.
Oh my god, so what were you doing while you were bunking? Like, where did you go and what did you do?
Yeah, so our coaching center was near to, a food point, you can say, and he made the best Maggie in the whole town, okay?
Ah,
Like he was
okay.
famous for Maggie and coffee. So
Damn.
in every yeah, and he used to put up stall around 10 a.m. in the morning, and then we used to go regularly, and damn, we used to miss lectures for that coffee.
I mean, that was really important more than law, by the way. Yeah,
Yeah,
that I
of
can
course.
understand. Yeah, so, how did you get prepared for CLAT? Like, the crash courses or Like,
Yeah.
did somebody, guided you, like you should take CLAT or something, or how did that happen?
Yeah, so obviously, as I was, I came here as a plan B, so I
Mm-hmm.
took crash course, which they say is for 1 month, but then of course, the dates for CLAT always keep changing, so it gets extended. So it was for around 1.5 month. Okay, and
Hmm.
actually, I joined the coaching late in that too because I had my boards at that time, and they started the coaching.
Ah,
So
okay.
yeah, so like after they started the coaching, and after 2 days, my boards were finished. So I already missed many classes in the starting,
So,
and
how did you even feel like just the boards were over it, then again CLAT? Oh my
yeah,
god, I would have never done that. Ah.
I was very frustrated, and I was, I wasn't interested in studying because
I
I
know,
was
right?
so
Oh my
yeah,
god. I was
and
seriously not interested in studying at that point of time. Like the 12th class is going, I have to read history. Oh my god. History, geography, and whatnot. And
it
I was like,
it pisses you off, man, like really, and
seriously, it does. Seriously, it does. And I was like, why? 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 Why, God? Why? But there was no answer, by the way. Yeah. So never mind.
yeah, there's
Who
no why,
cares?
there's no answer.
Nah, who cares? Nobody cares. So my parents were like, go, you need to take the course, study hard, this and that, and whatnot. And I was like, I will. But that
Yeah, honestly,
will
I was
was
very
not there from
motivated.
inside. That was lacking. Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
you were saying?
Yeah, so crash courses are for 4 to 5 hours in the morning. Like they have regular classes, okay,
Yeah.
and they used to have it in May, okay, and it was
Oh
really,
my
really
god.
hot in the like when they leave you, it's really hot. So we used to get so frustrated. Now imagine completing your boards and the next day you're going to coaching,
I can't
and
even imagine.
yeah, and you're going constantly, and my
And that is
tragedy
also
was
regularly. Ah,
yeah. Yeah, so my
oh
tragedy
my
was
god.
that my phone broke on the day
Oh
when I
my
joined the
god.
coaching. Yeah.
How did that mishap happen, by the way? That is like some
Yeah.
devil's work or something like, oh my god, no. That
So
is bad.
that was because of my dear friend, my best friend.
Uh-huh.
He was casually playing with it. I don't know why he was doing it. And then he just suddenly broke it. And you
Okay.
can't really say anything to him. Like,
And did you not
you
feel
know,
like punching him?
yeah, I did actually. I punched him.
There you go. I mean, you can just hold back when your phone was being played by somebody else and it was broken. Oh my, that hurts. That hurts. That
Yeah,
definitely
but
hurts. Yeah.
we all are broke in that era. Like you
I
have just finished
know.
boards and then coaching, and then
It is
you're
so
mentally
tiring.
and financially exhausted,
I I know. I mean, I don't have the space in my brain. Like, I don't have one brain cells working for it. Like, my brain cells were occupied with all the board exams and all the subjects that I read and everything, and I did not have space in my brain to even stress on class. Like, I had no space for it.
Okay.
But the pressure from
Yeah,
parents,
so
who
just
will
tell me
understand us?
what nobody will. Yeah,
I know,
so
right?
what are the subjects you find interesting in CLAT? You know, like we all have that one subject that we find really interesting, and
It
what are the
was
reasons?
It was the law for me itself because the teacher who taught us the law, like we had that one book which had like IPC, CRPC, family law.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
had
yeah.
every kind of law in one thin, like thin book, we can say itself, but it consisted like the main points, and the teacher who taught us was really hot. So I was
Yeah, I
interested
can
in the
agree with that.
subject as well as the the teacher was kind of he was nice. So he was good to people, he was good to the students, so why not? Yeah. And what about
Yeah.
you?
So mine was actually two subjects. Okay, one was
Okay.
legal reasoning. Okay,
Oh
because that
yeah,
was
I
very
forgot
interesting.
legal reasoning. That was an interesting thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah, so that is the most, they make you really feel like you are a lawyer and you're doing something,
Yeah, you
and
are just
that's not the
uh
reality.
I know that is so not. You feel like, oh my god, I have solved the crime and I did it, man. I did it. I am
Yeah.
that lawyer. I am intelligent. I can do it. They gave you that feel. The legal reasoning did give us that feel. Yeah.
And another was English because of the, same reasons as you. We had a
Ah.
professor and she was really good looking. So,
Hmm.
yeah, that was one of the main reasons. And
Okay.
tell me, do you ever feel, that there's some kind of discrimination against the general category people in CLAT? Like,
Oh my god,
it's always,
always.
yeah,
Ah,
it's there. And you feel that
that
it's not
is there.
fair.
It is so not fair. Like we are struggling as same as the other, sects of people who are getting the advantage. Uh, I envy them, by the way. Yeah, I do. I do. I wish to, uh, why not? Why not? I just took birth in that sect of people. Yeah, I know they did face
Yeah,
discrimination before, but they are now being
but not
so.
right now.
Oh man, I was like, damn, they are just passing by 30%. And what for us? It's like 60% and above, and I'm like, why? Like, what did we do? Did we hurt you?
Okay,
Did we?
uh, so I have a
Seriously.
short story. Okay, so
Yeah,
there was
please.
a yeah, so there was a friend in my coaching. Okay, she was very well to do, like literally much. Okay, her
Mm-hmm.
dad has some 5 to 6 factories in the state. Okay,
Ooh,
yeah,
okay.
and she used to daily come to our coaching in different car, like not even car, like
Oh
I don't
my
know,
god.
yeah, with a proper driver and stuff. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
we gave exams and all. Okay, and when the sheet comes and you see other people's name. Okay, so I
Mm-hmm.
scored,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, I scored like 200 ranks above her.
Oh.
Okay, but she
Mm-hmm.
still got in because she was OBC,
Ah, that
and I
must
was
have
like,
hurt.
yeah.
Oh
And I was
my
like,
god.
bro, this is not fair.
This is not fair. Like we are struggling as same as them, so why they? Like why? Like
Yeah.
seriously,
And
this is
also,
a serious problem, in this field. I feel like everybody is actually working hard. There should be no biasness or like why? Why the
yeah,
differentiation
and
in
when
this
there is
area?
60,000 people every year giving CLAD, and you are only selecting
Seriously.
like 2,500 or something, so
And
it's not
you
fair to
even
give reservations. I
seriously,
just,
and even in the study sector, like the education sector, I don't feel like anybody should, specify or give somebody else the advantage, some sect of people. That is so wrong because everybody is struggling. Everybody, like there might be people who are not like who are not putting that much of effort as we are because they know they'll get the chance if they score this much, but
yeah,
we don't have the chance. Like, why? So it
yeah,
is
and
it is not that right.
yeah, it's not right. And have you given any other exams like CLAT and this LSAT
No, I
and
did not. I did not. I was stuck with CLAT.
yeah,
Yeah, that was enough for me.
you were loyal to CLAT?
I was so loyal to CLAT. Oh my god.
Yeah, for just trial purposes, you give one exam. I gave Symbiosis, and
Okay,
actually
yeah.
scored good marks in that.
Mm-hmm.
But they have the system of paying for every college separately, and I didn't think that I will
Ah,
get in, so I didn't pay for that. Okay,
okay.
yeah.
Oh my
So at
god.
so at the end, what happened was that I scored enough for the category,
Mm-hmm.
but just because I haven't paid the college fee previously, like that was 1K at that time, so
Mm-hmm.
they disqualified me, or I don't know
So
what.
basically, you had to pay the fee beforehand to get selected. Is it like that?
Yeah, to even be considered for that college in Symbiosis, I think so.
Ah, that is. I must say that is a tragedy. Like
Yeah, it's
that
their
is so
way
so
of
unfair. Like why? Like somebody is struggling and even getting the passing the cutoff marks and still not getting the chance. Oh
Yep.
no, I understand. I totally do. That is so unfair. So unfair. Oh my god.
Okay.
So so
So
how are
yeah.
you? Yeah.
So I guess I we have covered almost all the topics that we find relatable to CLAD.
I know.
And
Oh,
if
one more
there,
topic I just wanted to ask you. What was the subject that you hated? You must have
yeah,
hated something.
that was okay. Maths was of course there, but I
Ah,
hated GK too. Okay,
I know.
I
Oh my
just
god. Oh my
I just
god.
found it
That subject
so
was.
boring that I was like, no man, I can't do it. It's very boring.
It's very boring. For maths, the teacher was also boring. I can't even express how boring was he. My God, I hope he does not listen to this podcast. Otherwise, he might, just cuss me or I don't know what will happen. But never mind,
Yeah.
never mind. He won't recognize my voice anyways. So yeah, I'm just gonna say he
Okay.
was so boring. He was so boring, and the GK
I
was
can. Yeah, I can
God.
totally relate with it.
Yeah, that's why I did not learn much GK. Like I did not pay attention at all at GK, and whenever I used to guess the answer, that was always wrong. So I just gave up. Yeah, I just gave up
Yeah.
simply. So yeah,
So.
I think
So
we
yeah.
did cover every topic in the
Very deeply,
subject.
I must say.
I know, right? So
Yeah.
anything else you would like to say or you would like to conclude?
Yeah, so I don't think there's anything left to say, and if there is, please guys, comment to us or write to us at widelaw.in and connect with us on Instagram, LinkedIn, on in all the social handles. Okay,
Yeah,
so
you can find
yeah,
us in all the
thanks
social
for
handles.
so thanks for joining us today, and hope you like the podcast. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thanks.